Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the Bluetooth device is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get started. And in Windows 10 devices, it's a very common problem to have the Bluetooth device not working. So in this video, we will be able to fix that just by following the few simple process that I'm going to show you. So the first thing we need to do is to open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key altogether in your keyboard. And once this run window is up on your screen, please type here services.msc, and once done typing, please do click on OK or enter. And in here, in this services tab, we will look for Bluetooth services, and I have here 3 services. So what are we going to do here is to go to their properties. So for example, let me just select this one, and once selected, please make a right click on it, and let's go to the properties options. So in here, for the startup type, all we need to do is just select for the automatic option, and we can do that by clicking this drop down button here and then select on automatic. And then once selected, please click on apply and then click on OK, and you will do that with all the other Bluetooth services. And once you do that, please make a right click again and then click on start button, and it will start running in your device. And we will do that with the other Bluetooth services. So again, make a right click and then go to properties. And for the startup type, let's choose automatic options and then click apply and then click OK. And then make a right click again, and then so it's already running, so we cannot choose the start button because it's already grayed out. So let's proceed with the other Bluetooth service. Again, select it and then make a right click on it and then go to properties options, and then for the startup type, let's choose automatic option. Once selected, please go click apply and then click on OK. And once done, you can now click again or make a right click again with this Bluetooth service and then click on start. Okay, so once we're done with this process, we need to proceed with the another one. If you have still if you're having still an issue, so if you have a Bluetooth key in your keyboard, make sure they are also turned on. And for the next step is to go to the troubleshoot settings, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the search bar, troubleshoot. Let's type troubleshoot, and under best match, you will see troubleshoot settings option. So just open it and go to other troubleshooters. Okay, so here under other section, you will see a Bluetooth option here. So if you're having problems with your Bluetooth, just click on this run button here to run the troubleshooter, and it will take 3 to 5 minutes for the troubleshooting to be done. And once the troubleshooting is done, just make a quick restart with your device and see if it works. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to go to our device manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to device manager options. Okay, so once we're here in the device manager window, all we need to do is just look for the Bluetooth icon or Bluetooth option, and once found, just make a right click on it and then go to properties. And if you have seen a option that says update driver, go with that option and then choose the first option that says search automatically for drivers. And when it says that the best drivers are installed already in your device, then you're good to go, and your Bluetooth device or your Bluetooth software is now fixed in your device. Okay, so if you have any questions, please do comment it in the comment section below. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.